Innovative quality products and services. That's Maurer Manufacturing, Spencer, Iowa. In the early 1990s, Bob Maurer believed that there was a better method for timing the unloading of clean grain from the combine. This was a spark for the Maurer grain tank extensions, a product that took the combine aftermarket world by storm, and providing a foundation for what the company offers today. In 2000, the Maurer transitioned ownership to the group of individuals with years of experience in the manufacturing and supplying agricultural equipment. Thus began the affiliation with Demco, a relationship that provides the ag equipment market with the unparalleled offering of innovative quality products and services.
There's a lot of math that is used in my work day. We're working on budgets all the time. We're reviewing plant operation plans and just day-to-day math, reading skills, extracurricular activities. People probably don't think of that from the high school, but just doing those helps you to take and communicate with people and to work in a team atmosphere. Very important. All of our jobs that we do here are very team orientated. We will have groups of 5 to 6 people working together on a project. Math skills are used constantly all day long. Communication skills are very big. Actually, I started here as a welder is how I started here, and I've just gradually worked my way up through the company to where I'm plant manager now.
All right, so what roles do innovation and technology play in every day?
Innovation is very big anymore. All of our machines that are in our fabric department are CNC controlled, so they're all computer controlled. The lasers, the plasma tables are all working off nesting that is coming from a computer, and those machines are all CNC controlled. Computer skills are just very big throughout the plant. They're needed in the front office. They're needed out on the floors. Our welders are even becoming more computerized all the time.
What kind of challenges do you face every day?
The challenges that we face every day are working together as a team is probably the biggest one. You're working with many different types of people, and you're trying to achieve the same goal with everyone.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
What I enjoy most is pulling everyone together as a team and achieving a common goal at the end.
What's the main responsibility of your position, and what do you do every day?
My main responsibility is, well, there's 4 design engineers and 2 mechanical engineers, and we design, create new parts, modify parts, everything using SolidWorks. And what we do every day is, just like I said, it really depends on the day, what we have going on. Right now I'm building a jig out in weld, so I'm actually welding. I'm not actually in the office. Last week, 2 weeks ago, I've been working on aluminum fixtures, trying to get stuff together for our aluminum trailer line.
What did you learn in high school that you use every day here?
When I was a junior in high school, I took a class called Tech Graphics. We used a lot of SolidWorks and CAD in that class. And really what I learned in there is I got hooked on SolidWorks, and I came in after school, all my free classes, worked a lot in it. That's where I learned all my SolidWorks for what I'm doing here. I went to Iowa Lakes for 2 years, learned a lot in math and science. Again, I took a lot of math and science classes in high school, and that really relates to what I do here.
Why is knowing math and reading skills so important in your job?
Math for sure. We use it every day, whether it's just basic addition, subtraction. I use everything from basic math all the way up to calculus. We use a lot in geometry, trying to figure out angles and stuff. Reading, I really didn't like reading that much in school, but we had to do it. Here in my job, you have to have reading and comprehension. We do a lot with DOT officers, so you read a lot up on the rules. You have to know those rules. We don't want to get caught with something that's wrong, because that comes back on us. So you have to be able to read and comprehend all of those things so you can go along with your job and make sure you have everything right.
Some of our current employment opportunities would be included in the fabrication department for brake press operators, saw operators. We're also looking for laser operators. Going into our paint department, we are looking for an experienced painter. Also in our prep department, that would be for prepping the trailers for paint. Also in finish department, this is where they're doing all the wiring of the trailers. They're putting the decals on, reflective tape, anything like that. For our fabrication department, we are looking for someone that has CNC skills. Also in our paint department, we want somebody that has the liquid paint experience, that has experience with a system, a paint system. Good attendance and dependability. Also looking for good written and oral communication skills. One thing I did not mention as far as other openings would be in our engineering department. We are looking for a designer or a mechanical engineer. With that position, they would need to have experience with AutoCAD and SolidWorks, which is a 3D modeling.
What kind of position do you see opening in the next 5 years?
I would expect some positions in the next 5 years to include more designers, more mechanical engineers, an industrial engineer. We would have to add to our office staff, our sales staff, different areas like that.
Do you have any kind of tuition assistance or training program you have for the employees?
Not a tuition assistance, but we do have a scholarship that we offer to Spencer High School students, also to Spirit Lake High School students. With that, a student would have to consider going to a vocational school. You go to Iowa Lakes, DMAC, anything like that. As long as they want to continue their education, then we would help them out with that.
What kind of health benefits do you offer here?
Sure, we offer a health insurance package. It's 2 different plans, a gold and a silver plan. The gold plan is going to have a lower deductible and out-of-pocket expense, but a higher premium. And then our silver plan is going to have a higher deductible, but a lower premium. We also offer a dental insurance. It's completely 100% voluntary. With that, it has a 100% lifetime deductible, which is actually unheard of. Voluntary life insurance is also provided. That is up to $300,000 or 5 times the annual salary of the employee. Also 401k, and the company does match 2% on the 401k, and that is a 6-year vesting schedule. We also have an EAP, an Employee Assistance Program, that is through Key Solutions. With that, an employee, if they're struggling financially, emotionally, physically, anything like that, maybe they're looking for a health coach, they can call our EAP and they would help them with that.
Okay, how diverse is your workplace?
Very diverse. It's becoming more and more diverse each day. The more diverse an employer's workforce is, the more individual skills that are in the workforce, different talents that are brought to the workforce. We are going to introduce a new laser in May. That's going to be coming, and then also another one in August. We are meeting and exceeding our sales goals, so we are having to expand.
Each day, Maurer Manufacturing strives to produce and conduct operations in a way to make each customer proud to have Maurer Manufacturing logo on their equipment.